Hey guys, so today I want to unbox these baby hair trimmers. Let's open them up and see what we find. When we open the box, it looks like this. So you have your manual. You have a USB charger. You have 3 different combs. You have this one, which is a 0. This one, which is a 3 if it's used that way, or a 6 if it's used that way. And then you have the 9 if it's used that way, or 12. You have the lubrication oil for the trimmer should you ever need it. You also have the little cleaning brush. You have the hair trimmer, and it does come with 3 different heads. It has this head right here, it has this head, and it has this one, which when you remove the little cover here, it looks like this. Now, changing out the heads on the hair trimmer is really easy. On the back, it has a little lock and unlock. So you simply turn over to the unlock and it will just pop right out. And then you just place the other one. Now, it states on the box that these are very low noise, but I do notice a difference in the volume depending on the head, and I'll show you what I mean. With this one, it sounds like this. And I want to say this is the loudest of them. Then you have this one. And you have this one. So I want to say that this one, the noise is about medium. With this one, it's louder. And with the regular head is the quietest. The USB charger plugs into the bottom right here. Like so that you can charge them. The on-off button is right there in the front. It's very soft and easy. When you turn it on, the little green light turns on, and there it's off. The combs are super easy to snap on. The hair trimmers have these little holes in the back. All you do is slide these in, and you're all set to go. to slide them out, all you do is just pull gently and it's off. It feels very comfortable in my hands. And I really, really like them. I do like the fact that they are waterproof, so you can immerse it in water to clean. However, I would recommend just using the little brush to take off the little hairs before you clean it in the water. I like that it's rechargeable, and that way it doesn't have to be plugged in all the time. I also like the convenience of the 3 different combs and the 3 different heads. So I really, really like these. If you want to find out more about them, or if you want to get a set for yourself, I will leave the link in the description box below. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.